Once the sauce cover your meatball them like this, you just allow it for it to just cook in this sauce for a nice good size 6 minutes. Nice and lovely. Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how you can make yourself some meatball and spaghetti at home. So basically, especially if you're a parent who work very hard, and you're a couple who work very hard, don't have any time to come on and make meatballs or spaghetti, you just want to do something very quickly. So basically what I do, I buy these meatballs at the local shop, supermarket, and I say I'm gonna show the fans them or someone who work very hard that this is an easy way where you can make yourself some nice spaghetti for the kids them for dinner time. You have to help the kids them with book work or school work or something you have to do before evening come down very quickly. So basically I got 16 meatballs right here, meatball right here. And all I'm gonna do is just an easier way, guys, you can do. Simple. Sprinkle a little bit of paprika on it like this. Alright, look at this. Cause this is the one I buy at the meat shop. These one come already made. But you want to add a little spices to it and the herbs and make it taste, have a little flavor to it. So this is an easier way what you can do. And it come out really nice. Second thing, I got some beef season. Just a little pinch of beef season on it, just like that. So next thing what we're gonna do, I'm gonna fry them off to show you an easier way how you can make yourself a nice lovely spaghetti with meatball at home. If you're a parent who work very hard and don't have the time to come on and do a good cooking, so you want to do something very quickly. So this is like 10 minutes worth of cooking or 12 minutes worth of cooking. Nice and lovely. So right here is my medium frying pan. Pop a little bit of olive oil inside of it. Get those lovely meatballs and put them in. The reason why I'm putting in because my frying pan is about 3 to 4 minutes hot. So this is just 15 minutes worth of cooking. Right here, guys. Nice one. So you can see. Simple. Just roll them all over another frying pan like this and fry them for roughly 5 minutes on a medium size heat. Nice and lovely. As you can see, these are finished now, and you can know when they're finished because you can see the redness of it gone. So you can see it. So these are finished. Now we're going to turn off my stove. And basically, just going to simply put them into this and get rid of the grease. Because I'm not going to use this oil. Alright? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop it in this. And this is one of the best way you can get rid of your oil and the fat from off the meatball. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, it is looking so lovely and nice. Nice. So after you get rid of that, get rid of the grease and simple. Wipe out the front pan like this. Nice and lovely. The next thing, get your sauce. I'm using some bolognese sauce, which is tomato sauce also. It's the same way. Pour it in like this, not too much, just a little bit where you can cover your sauce. Add a little bit of ketchup. So then, simple, put in the meatball like this. nice one. So as you can see, once the sauce cover your meatball them like this, just allow it for it to just cook in this sauce for a nice good 6 minutes. Alright. Looking lovely. Lovely and nice. Look at that. $15 worth of cooking. And I have some spaghetti ready, so you can serve it with some spaghetti or serve it with whatever you like. Enjoy it, guys, and see you next time. Thanks so much for watching the cooking show. Bye bye.